Good morning, students. Today we've come on a picnic to talk about one of the food types, and they are vegetables. As you can see, we have so many different kinds of vegetables and we are learning about them. Let's go. Wow, hi Ilham.
Hi teacher.
What do you have?
I have cooked chickpeas and I have put orango in it.
Orango. I think orango is a vegetable, yes?
Yes. Do you like to taste it?
Of course I like. Thank you, I like. Hello girls, what are you doing?
We are making kalana.
Kalana? What do you need for a kalana?
You chop some leek and make it this way.
Alright guys, now our picnic is done and today we learned about vegetables. These were all the vegetables that we learned about and we used them in the food. We had chickpeas, we had spaghetti, and we had so many delicious Kurdish traditional foods like dolma. So that was about today's lesson and today's picnic. It was all about vegetables, which is one part of the food types. Goodbye.
زمانی دری دکتاری هم رازی را شان می‌داری